The digital age has birthed many wonders, but perhaps none as intriguing and unsettling as the rise of AI girlfriends. These digital entities, crafted with sophisticated algorithms and machine learning, are designed to mimic human interaction and emotions. They offer a semblance of companionship, filling the void for those who might feel isolated or lonely in our increasingly digital world. Once confined to the realms of science fiction, these virtual companions are now a reality, offering companionship and even the illusion of love to millions around the world. They come in various forms, from simple chatbots on smartphones to fully immersive virtual reality experiences. These AI companions can engage in conversations, remember personal details, and even simulate emotional responses, creating an illusion of a genuine relationship. We find ourselves at the precipice of a new era, one where the lines between human connection and artificial intelligence become increasingly blurred. High-tech billboards and advertisements now promote these AI companions as viable alternatives to human relationships, promising a perfect partner who is always attentive, never argues, and is tailored to meet individual needs and desires. The idea of falling in love with a machine might seem absurd at first, yet as these technologies become more advanced and lifelike, the emotional bonds people form with their AI companions can feel very real. Users often find themselves laughing, sharing their day, and even confiding their deepest secrets to these digital entities. However, the growing popularity of AI companions, particularly among men, suggests a shifting social landscape. In many cultures, there is a stigma associated with loneliness and seeking help for emotional issues. AI companions offer a private, judgment-free space for individuals to express themselves and feel understood. Are we, as a species, becoming so disconnected from one another that we seek solace in the arms of algorithms? The rise of AI companions raises concerns about the future of human relationships. As people spend more time with their digital partners, they may become more isolated from real-world interactions, leading to a society where human connection is mediated through screens and code. This phenomenon forces us to confront uncomfortable questions about love, loneliness, and the very nature of humanity. What does it mean to love someone or something that cannot truly reciprocate those feelings? Can a relationship with an AI ever be as fulfilling as one with a human being? These questions challenge our understanding of emotional intimacy and the essence of human connection. What does it mean to love, and can that love be reciprocated by an entity devoid of consciousness? The concept of love has always been complex, but the introduction of AI companions adds a new layer of complexity. While these digital entities can simulate affection and understanding, they lack true consciousness and the ability to genuinely feel emotions. This raises ethical and philosophical questions about the nature of love and the role of technology in our lives. As we delve deeper into the world of AI companionship, we must tread carefully, for the answers to these questions will shape the future of human connection. The choices we make today about how we integrate AI into our personal lives will have lasting implications for generations to come. It is crucial to consider the potential consequences and strive to find a balance between embracing technological advancements and preserving the essence of human relationships. The AI companion industry is booming, and it's not just a fleeting trend. This sector is rapidly expanding, driven by advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies. Projected to reach $15 billion globally by 2025, it's a testament to the growing demand for digital intimacy. Investors are pouring money into startups and established companies alike, betting big on the future of AI companionship. Apps like Replica and Anima offer customizable avatars capable of holding conversations, learning your preferences, and even expressing affection. These digital companions are designed to be more than just chatbots. They aim to be friends, confidants, and even romantic partners. This surge in popularity is fueled in part by a growing sense of loneliness, particularly among young adults. In an age where social media connects us more than ever, paradoxically, many feel more isolated. Studies have shown a significant increase in feelings of social isolation, with factors like social media, demanding work cultures, and economic anxieties playing a role. The pressures of modern life leave little room for genuine human connection, making AI companions an attractive alternative. AI companions offer a solution, albeit an artificial one, to this very real problem. They provide a semblance of companionship, offering a listening ear and a comforting presence, even if it's through a screen. They provide 24/7 availability, unwavering attention, and the ability to curate a perfect partner tailored to individual desires. Unlike human relationships, these digital companions are always there, never too busy, and always in a good mood. But is this technological solution masking a deeper societal ill? Are we addressing the symptoms rather than the root cause of our loneliness? The convenience of AI companionship might be preventing us from seeking out real, meaningful human interactions. The ease with which we can now access digital companionship begs the question: are we sacrificing genuine human connection for the convenience and control of AI? While these digital friends can provide comfort, they lack the depth and unpredictability of real human relationships. The answer, it seems, is far more complex than a simple yes or no. As we navigate this new digital landscape, we must consider the long-term implications of relying on AI for companionship. Are we enhancing our lives, or are we creating a new kind of isolation? Only time will tell. And one of the most alluring aspects of AI companions is their capacity for personalization. These digital entities are designed to cater to the unique preferences and needs of their users, making them highly appealing to a wide range of individuals. Users can customize their AI's appearance, personality, and even their shared history, creating an illusion of intimacy that can be incredibly seductive. Imagine being able to design a companion who not only looks the way you want, but also behaves in a manner that perfectly aligns with your expectations. These digital companions are programmed to learn and adapt to their users' preferences, offering validation, support, and companionship tailored to their specific needs. Over time, the AI becomes more attuned to the user's likes, dislikes, and emotional triggers, creating a highly personalized interaction. This level of personalization taps into a fundamental human desire for connection and belonging. The AI's ability to remember personal details and respond in a way that feels genuine can make the user feel truly understood and valued. When an AI companion remembers personal details, offers words of encouragement, or simply listens without judgment, it triggers the release of dopamine, the feel-good hormone associated with pleasure and reward. This biochemical response can make interactions with AI companions highly addictive. This creates a powerful feedback loop, reinforcing the bond between user and AI. The more the AI learns and adapts, the more satisfying the interactions become, leading the user to seek out these digital connections more frequently. However, this manufactured intimacy raises concerns about authenticity and the potential for manipulation. While the AI may seem to offer genuine companionship, it is ultimately a programmed response designed to keep the user engaged. Are we, in essence, programming our ideal partners only to be met with reflections of our own desires and biases? This can lead to a distorted sense of reality, where the AI's responses are merely echoes of what we want to hear rather than genuine interactions. And what happens when these digital relationships become a substitute for real-world interactions, potentially hindering our ability to form healthy, fulfilling connections with other human beings? The convenience and allure of AI companions might lead some to prioritize these digital interactions over real-life relationships, which could have long-term implications for social skills and emotional well-being. As we continue to integrate AI companions into our lives, it's crucial to strike a balance. While these digital partners can offer comfort and companionship, they should not replace the rich, complex interactions that come from human relationships. By being mindful of how we use AI, we can enjoy the benefits without losing touch with the real world. Ultimately, the goal should be to use AI companions as a supplement to, rather than a replacement for, human interaction. By doing so, we can enhance our lives with technology while still maintaining the deep, meaningful connections that make us truly human. The same mechanisms in the brain that make social media addictive are at play in our interactions with AI companions. The constant validation, the carefully curated persona, the illusion of control all contribute to a cycle of reward and reinforcement that can be difficult to break free from. Studies have shown that spending excessive time with AI companions can lead to changes in brain chemistry, increasing levels of dopamine and oxytocin, hormones associated with pleasure and bonding. This can create a sense of dependency, making it challenging for individuals to derive the same level of satisfaction from real-world relationships. Moreover, the ease of access and the always-on nature of AI companions can exacerbate addictive tendencies. Unlike human relationships, which require effort, compromise, and vulnerability, AI relationships offer a constant source of gratification with minimal risk of rejection or emotional investment. This can create a dangerous illusion of intimacy, leading individuals down a path of isolation and disconnection from the real world.